Hey guys, welcome back. So in this session, we will be looking how to use Vlookup with the dialog option. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is your data. Okay, and these are your customer codes. Okay, now with this customer code, you want to find out what exactly is the customer name. Okay, so this is your customer master, wherein you will have to find the customer name. Okay, so I will just type here customer name. Okay, so how do you find the customer name? Now I will just move these three columns. Okay, just ignore these three columns for the time being. Okay, so what you will do, you will have to type a formula over here. Okay, so whatever formula you type over here will be displayed over here. And if you can see this fx button, in just in case you don't remember what formula exactly you can use or which was the recently used formula, you can always click on this button, and then you can check which were the most recently used formulas. In my case, I have used VLOOKUP, so it will give me VLOOKUP. Okay, then you will have all these formulas over here. It is if it is related to financial and database and so on. So let's say you want something related to lookup. So I will select lookup, and over here it is VLOOKUP. So I will press OK. So once you press OK, it will ask you what is your lookup value. What is the value which you want to search? So I will say I want to search this value. Okay. So which table you want to search this value? Which is the set of table you want to search this value? I want to search this value in this table. Okay. Sorry, I have. So first you need to select this table as the source. Okay, once that is done, you just press this again. Okay, so once you press this again, then click over here, what is the table array. Okay, then again click here and then select the table array. So if you see over here, it is I to J. Okay, then I will again click here, what is the column index which you need. Okay, so of course it is first and this is second, so I will say second. Okay, you want exact match or similar match. So if you say exact match, then you will have to type false. For true, it will be true. So 0 gives you false and 1 gives you true. So in this case I will just type false. Okay, that means it is giving you a preview. Formula result will be Tom. For that is just an example. So for in this case the result will be Tom. So what if I have written true, then too it will have given same result. Okay, because it is having same data. Okay, so just click OK and you got Tom, and then just drag and drop this. So you got Anne, then Chan, then Vikas, Rao and Sam. Okay, so in this way you can use this formula across different sheets. Okay, so in our case, when we wrote this VLOOKUP, so let's say you have this table array in some other columns. So in that case, what you could have done, you could have clicked on this, then you can have went to any of your worksheets where you have data, selected data, okay, and then click this and then click OK. So in that case you have got NA, but if you had proper data you will have got the value. Okay, so I will just press Ctrl Z. Okay, one more thing which I want to say is, whenever you use VLOOKUP within VLOOKUP, make sure that your reference is set properly, specifically this range lookup, which is true or false. Otherwise, you might get wrong answers. So whenever you click select these functions, you can see what is the source. This blue one, you can see this blue is the first column, then red is this one, and the output is this one. So from color also you can get to know what exactly you are searching for. Okay, so that was it for the day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell and subscribe to this channel. Okay, Jai Hind, Jai Janendra.